Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
I'm Jala.
And we'd like to welcome you back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. However, starting next Friday, we will start going live at 3 p.m.
That's right, and before we start, we just want to give a big congratulations to Eve.
Yay!
Eve was our diffuser winner a couple weeks ago. It was our last diffuser giveaway, and we really hope that you enjoyed your diffuser.
Yes, so we hope that you are loving that beautiful diffuser of yours and you're diffusing Plantlife essential oils. So for this week, we are doing another giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of our Facebook Live to find out what it is and how to enter.
Yes, and this week we're talking all about skin.
Yay.
We're going to be showing you how to make 2 DIY face serums that you're going to totally love.
Yes, but before we kick everything off, we do get asked a lot what products we suggest if someone has psoriasis. So we have here at Plantlife a wide range of products that do help with psoriasis, but we highly suggest using our neem herbal soap or our turmeric herbal soap.
Yes, our neem herbal soap and our turmeric herbal soap are so great to use for psoriasis and other skin disorders. They have anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant properties, and moisturizing properties. And you can actually find out more about our turmeric and neem herbal soap on our blog at plantlife.net/blog.
Yes, so now on to our DIY. So today I'll show you how to make a fermented anti-aging serum, and then Jala will show you how to make the antioxidant serum.
That's right. And face serums are so great for your skin. Usually people use moisturizers that create barriers on your skin, and actually serums are really great for absorbing quickly into your skin, and you're really just going to enjoy the feeling of the serum on your face.
Yes, so for this fermented anti-aging serum, it actually can help smooth those fine lines and wrinkles, and it will help nourish your skin. So what you'll need is evening primrose oil, cypress essential oil, geranium essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and a 30 ml amber glass bottle. And all of these products are available on our website.
Yes, like Jasmine said, they're available on our website. The 30 ml bottles do come in a pack of 5, and they also have their matching Euro droppers. Euro droppers are amazing. They're really great for you. They avoid waste and spills, and it's just 1 drop at a time.
Yes. So first what you'll do is take 4 tablespoons of evening primrose oil and put it into your glass bottle. So I pre-poured mine so I don't make a mess and spill all over the place on Facebook Live. But evening primrose contains essential fatty acid that your body can only obtain through diet and topical application. So this oil is very nourishing and it also helps with inflammation.
And it's also known for inhibiting bacterial growth and defending against infection.
Yes. And next you'll take 10 drops of cypress essential oil. So cypress essential oil is known to help with the appearance of varicose veins. It helps minimize the appearance of cellulite. It also helps, I almost dropped it. It also helps with circulation as well.
And it can also be used as an astringent.
Yes, it can. So it makes it perfect for a face serum. Next, what you'll do is take 10 drops of geranium essential oil. So geranium essential oil is known to help with acne, inflammation as well. Not only that, it helps alleviate anxiety and helps balance your emotions.
I love the floral aroma.
Yes,
It smells amazing.
It smells like a bouquet of flowers.
Yes.
And then last but not least, you'll take 10 drops of frankincense essential oil. So frankincense essential oil is known to help with acne and blemishes as well. It helps prevent wrinkles, which we all would love, right? And not only that, it helps lift and tighten the skin.
Yeah, frankincense has so many amazing. I was like so caught up in the smell of. I love frankincense scent. It's like one of my favorite. It has so many amazing benefits. I'm really not surprised.
Yes. So like Jala said, the 30 ml bottles come with the Euro style dropper. So they're already installed into the cap for you. So what you do is you take the cap, you twist it on, like so, and then you just shake it up. And then after you are done shaking your beautiful serum, it's already installed for you. So the way to use this serum is to apply a dime-sized portion onto a freshly washed face. Make sure you apply it onto your face and onto your neck area. And then I suggest using this right before you go to bed.
I'm definitely going to be using that. Now it's my turn to show you how to make an antioxidant face serum. And what you'll need is apricot kernel oil, rosehip seed oil, carrot seed essential oil, and like Jasmine used previously, the 30 ml amber glass bottle with its Euro style dropper.
Yes, and so for those of you that aren't sure what antioxidant really means, it means a substance that contains vitamin C or E that helps remove potentially damaging oxidizing agents from a living organism. So in this case, Shal is going to be showing us how to make an antioxidant serum. So what's first?
Yes, so first we're going to have 4 tablespoons of apricot kernel oil, which I've already pre-poured in my bottle just so that we can avoid a mess. And apricot kernel oil is rich in vitamins A and E. It also helps skin retain elasticity, clarity, and suppleness.
Yeah, that's awesome. It also helps inflammation and irritation caused by eczema or dermatitis.
Yes, it's amazing for your skin. Now you'll only need to take 20 drops of carrot seed essential oil. I'm going to pour it in here. And carrot seed essential oil is rich in vitamin C and E. It rejuvenates your skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it balances the skin sebum. I think I put a little too much, but that's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, carrot seed is so good for your skin. It's a great choice for skincare.
Yes, and then lastly, you're going to be using rosehip seed oil. You're going to put 25 drops. I've already pre-poured it in here so that we can avoid a mess. But rosehip oil is acclaimed for balancing your skin and tone. It improves the ability of your skin to regenerate your cells, and it reduces the appearance of scars and wrinkles as well. So it has many amazing benefits. And so it's already been pre-poured. I'm just going to close it with our Euro style dropper. Again, you only need 25 drops, and just shake it well. It's all mixed in, and voila, the cap is there. It smells really good. I'm going to apply it to my skin. It just drops really easily out, like it's just one drop. I don't know if you can kind of see the shine in the skin.
When you go like that.
Yeah, I mean, it smells amazing.
It's very bright.
It feels good. It has a very organic scent to it too, so it's not too strong, but it's just good enough for you to smell amazing and feel amazing too.
That sounds like a wonderful serum. I will definitely have to be making that one again.
Definitely. Now, on to our giveaway. Jasmine's going to tell you how to enter.
Yes, so this week we are giving away carrot seed essential oil.
Yay, carrot seed essential oil.
So Jala has told you all the amazing benefits of carrot seed, so why would you want to miss out on this giveaway?
Yeah.
Alright, so the way to enter is to like this Facebook Live, and in the comments down below, let us know why you would love to win carrot seed essential oil. So as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next Friday at our new time, 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in.